Okay, here's a video of this Sears Roebuck Tower typewriter operating. So the rollers work good. Let's look at the keys. There is ribbon in it, so I'm hoping that that'll work. If not, you can just replace that as well. Where's the one key? Okay, look. So it is working. It's just a little faded, but you know, it's been in storage, so we probably got to bring it back to life. I'm just making sure that each when I hit the key that the little arm thing does reach up. The 9 stuck a little bit. Obviously we need to clean. Okay. So the 9 might be a little sticky. Oh, trying to remember how to open these things. There we go. Okay, so that part's working. You're gonna get a demo on that, and I wasn't expecting to. Okay. Let's go back. Ooh, it even dings. Let's see if the return works. Oh, that's not the return. Oh, that's the return. See, even when I was typing, and I'm kind of old, I still had an automatic return, so sorry, forgot about that. So we were on U. Okay. So that's the quarter half key, so that looks like it's a little kind of, you know, rusty. I'm guessing that's not a key that a lot of people probably use, so that's probably why. Look at that, ink is coming back to life now. The K is a little sticky. What's that? Semicolon, colon. It's a little sticky. Ampersand and cent sign. Again, probably not ones that are probably used a lot. Now we're on Z. I'm just going right across the board. So the comma and the period, which are obviously more common, are used, is working. Let's see this arrow. Don't remember what that does. Oh, that's a backspace. Funny thing is on the keyboards now the arrow goes the other way. This one's going that way, meaning that the carriage is going to go that way, so it's kind of different. I don't remember what the CL means. I don't want to test it only because I don't know. I'm afraid something's going to happen. Not like broken, but you know, set, oh, tab. I don't know what MR is. Okay. So we said our rollers work. These are like, ooh, these are little carriages. This worked. Folks, I think it looks good. Let me, no, we want it this way. I want to open this up again. So it's looking pretty good in there, right? Probably needs a good cleaning. I'm guessing if you're buying this, you're knowing how to do that. Maybe even just a simple blower will do it. And there's a, looks like it's a black only color ribbon. Although I do see on the side here, it has these different colors. I don't know if that's for ink or what. I don't know, because it would be looks like black, white, and red, but obviously I could see red ribbon, black ribbon. Well, what would be white? So I'm not sure. Hopefully you know what that is. Anyways, I didn't move that because I'm not sure what that'll do to the ribbon, but hope you like it. Hope you're interested in it. It's really, really cool. About as in damage, other than it looks like somebody wrote NA or NO on it. I started wiping, as you can see some there, but I didn't want to like completely ruin the finish. So hopefully, I'll let you guys do that. Okay? Thank you.